Greetings, greetings, greetings. Wagwan, everybody. This is DJ Sanctified, all the way from the motherland, Africa. And today I'm really excited because I'm going to read for you from the book of Luke, chapter 22, verse 52 to 53. And the Bible says, Jesus said to the head priest them, the man them were in charge of the guard them for God house, and the elder them will come to him. I come with sword and big stick for arrest me, like me a old thief and murderer. Every day me there at God house, we don't know. And you never arrest me. But this a for no time, and the time when the one will rule over darkness at work. A God word this. Thank God.